I said to the group yesterday that these are almost the hardest thing you're going to come up with. Yeah? Your research aims and objectives, you will spend a lot of time. If you move up to your next level and you want to do a doctorate, these might take you 6 months to come up with, sometimes even a year, just to come up with what you want to find out. Just make it really, clear. This is another one I've used. Can you see here my problem is that I've got to the customer, to enlarge customer, to study the factors of. I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you're going to do. Okay? So I've just highlighted here. I think what this person has done is try to do more of a management report rather than a dissertation or setting out to become a management report. That's fine. And actually, for the faculty, we will allow that. And for our part-time students back in the UK, if they are a manager, if they are a leader, then we're quite happy for them to do a summary of, or almost a bit more of a practitioner type of action research. And that's fine, but I don't think that's what these students will be doing because they're full-time. So I'll leave it to the faculty to develop those. But even so, I still don't understand what is being done. What's going to be uncovered, what's going to be researched, what's going to be analysed, what's going to be broken down. And again, to enlarge customer satisfaction, this isn't research-based. I think that the author here is, I know what the author's trying to do. The author's trying to say, through my research, I'm going to help a company enlarge their customer satisfaction. But that's not what you need to do. You don't need to solve the problem. You need to work out what the problem is. You need to work out what is it that you want to be highlighting to potential companies and customers. Okay? You need to be finding out what the customer satisfaction is. Where are the issues with customer satisfaction? What customers are you looking at? And again, here to study the factors distressing. Is it one factor? Is it many factors? Yeah, it's going to be factors. And again, this is a simple mistake, but it means a big deal within the project. This is an idea here. This is the idea. Cellular is a wireless company operating at various states in India. I'm not going to read the full thing here. I know it's about a mobile phone company. I know it's based in India. And these are my questions here. How do I know that any of this is true? It all looks okay. It looks good, but there is no reference. There's no referencing. Absolutely. I have no idea that if this has come from, if it's just been made up. I don't know if it's come from Wikipedia, which isn't particularly a reliable source in academia. I don't know when this data has been formed. Is this 2010 data? Is it 2003 data? Is it, does it go back to 95? Okay. There's no reference there to inform you, the reader. And where's the academic underpinning of these statements? Again, what this does, this is very descriptive of this nature. And I know I'm just showing a slight a snapshot here, okay? But beyond this, I'd be expecting that there'd be some, maybe not some evaluation, but moving up to why this company has developed the way it has, and the choices it may have made. And that would be a bit further down in the writing, but certainly in the dissertation that should take place. This is a research program, and in this method, the study is described. I don't get the sentence. In this study, the method of the study is described. The sentence doesn't make any sense. And when I go back to Bloom, to describe it at a really low level skill, there should be a critical evaluation of, or an analysis of whatever you're looking at. And I can see here it's got caviar nest chocolates taken by the people. Again, the language used taken by the people is